Max the Monkey's amazing holiday adventure. Max the Monkey, hi there, friends. I'm Max the Monkey, and today is a super special day because I'm going on a holiday. Are you ready to come along on my adventure? Let's go! First things first, I need to pack my suitcase. I've got my sunglasses to protect my eyes from the sun, a hat to keep my head cool, sunscreen to stay safe, and of course, a map to find all the fun places. Max the Monkey, bye-bye, jungle friends. I'll miss you, but I'll bring back lots of stories. I'm heading to the sunny beach for my holiday. Let's find out what's waiting for me there. Max the Monkey, wow, look at this beach. The sand is so soft and warm. The waves are perfect for splashing around. First things first, I'm going to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Max the Monkey, look at this amazing sandcastle. Do you like it? What kind of sandcastle would you build? Max the Monkey, swimming in the ocean is so much fun. The water feels so nice and cool. Just remember to always swim with a grown-up and be safe. Max the Monkey, after all that playing, it's time for a tasty snack. I've got my favorite fruits, watermelon and pineapple. Yum! What's your favorite holiday snack? Max the Monkey, what a perfect end to a perfect day. The sunset is so beautiful, don't you think? I had an amazing time on my holiday and I hope you did too. Max the Monkey, time to head back home and tell all my jungle friends about my adventure. Thanks for coming along with me on my holiday. Until next time, keep smiling and having fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures with Max the Monkey. Bye bye, everyone. See you on the next adventure.